So, this is our project when we visited France. So, we first picked our points of Pau, Lyon, Tours, and Strasbourg. So, our story goes that we flew to Pau, and there we had our first French croissant. Then we took a train ride to Lyon, and there we met up with our pen pal Pierre, and he gave us a tour of Lyon. Then we took another bus ride to Tours, and that's where we went to a really cool art museum. And then from Tours to Strasbourg, we visited some of Pierre's family that lives there. So between Pau and Lyon, there's a shift of +5, +4, meaning it went to the right 5 and up 4. And between Lyon and Tours, there was a -4, +2 shift, meaning it went to the left 4, up 2. And then between Tours and Strasbourg, there was a shift of +7, +2, meaning it went to the right 7 and up 2. And we picked these cities because they're the clearest points on the map. And yeah, so let's end this.